could have been bad. Oh, darn it! Today's the day. Today is the day. Well, I don't know what's going on here, but this sucks. There is never traffic here. Like, what's the big deal? It's got to be some kind of accident or something. It's the only way traffic would be backed up like this. Oh my gosh! Lights, they don't care. Well, there is no reasoning behind that traffic. We didn't pass anything. We just went through the intersection. There was nothing wrong. And traffic's back to normal. Like, that just delayed me by like 15 minutes. No lie. Freaking weather is perfect today. Insanely perfect. Feels so good. I know y'all probably like, dude, will you just shut up and get to the news? What is it? Don't worry. Patience, my friend. It will take you places. We're gonna get there, I promise. The freaking anticipation is killing me. Like, I'm assuming UPS now, when they say that your package will be delivered by 8 p.m., I'm assuming that they're meaning that your package is going to be delivered at 8 p.m. Like, there's no, like, it might be there. I have had the worst luck with UPS for quite some time. I love FedEx. FedEx they're on point. UPS, on the other hand, though, either they're getting too busy for the team that they have and they need to expand and they're not because they're being cheap, or they just suck. My guess is they're getting more business than they can handle, but they don't want to expand anymore. That's my guess. And what sucks, too, is it gets even worse during the holidays. We're not even near a holiday. Well, a little past their time, but my boxes finally have showed up. What lies in these boxes is amazingness. Dead cat. The Rode Video Mic Pro. And the Sony a6000. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then we got the E10 to 18 millimeter lens. Alright, so you could be asking, hey man, why did you get this? You just got this. Well, technically I didn't buy this. This is just loaned to me. So I still needed my own camera. But somebody fully funded this whole kit, this whole assembly. Somebody fully funded it. And, like, you can't turn that down. I mean, I'm insanely appreciative. And I'm not going to go out and say who and all that other stuff. But, so the money, so another question that could be asked is, what's your plans with the money that was already donated to you that was going to go to this, I wasn't sure what I was gonna get. I didn't decide that I was gonna get this until I started shooting with this. Once I started shooting with the a6000, I knew that when I went to go buy my own camera, I hands down was going to get this. If there was one thing I was worried about, I'm kind of concerned about how big this is going to be on top of this camera. So we'll see. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Now where it could potentially get bad is when you slap this guy on. Okay, so this definitely makes it insanely big. And look at all the extra room in there. Like, that's, in my opinion, kind of a bad design, but whatever. I got the camera hooked up. This is in its widest setting. This will be in its widest setting. We're going to switch to the new camera in 3, 2, 1. How does it look? How does it sound? I should sound better with the microphone up here, but how does it look? Is the picture good? This is literally the first clip that I'm filming with the audio in my face, so if I have any settings screwed up, if the audio is off or anything, I greatly apologize. Okay, I gotta put this one clip just on the computer so I can see what it's like, and then we'll get back into talking and stuff. Alright, this is as wide as it goes. This is up tight. Wide as it goes. Up tight. Man, this is so, oh my god, this is so awesome. I can definitely tell right now it's gonna get hard to adjust to having to hit the switch on the back of here, but I can definitely get away with it. And it's a little heavier. This rig is a little heavier, but it's not bad. Like, I'm insanely in love. Let's go outside. It's dark now because it literally took the freaking UPS man forever to get here. Let's go outside. So one of the big things that I noticed with the a6000 is I shake quite a bit, and it's just trying to hold this out here. With this, it has the stabilization in it, the 5-axis stabilization, so I shouldn't be shaking as much, like nowhere near as much. And also I should, like I said, I should be sounding a lot better. Just from doing that clip in there, I went and reviewed from the other when I switched over, and the audio quality is freaking ridiculous. It's mind-blowing. I didn't know that this kind of stuff can make that big of a difference, but it really does. It's insane. Like, I am so in love right now, it's not even funny. And what kind of gets me too is, like, I never would have imagined I would have gone this far with the vlog. Like I've always been bad with saying that I'm gonna start something and then I continue, like I go with it for a while and then I just kind of quit. But I have fallen so in love with daily vlogging that I honestly couldn't tell you what I would do without it. Like, I really couldn't. And like, oh, this is so awesome. Baby, baby, baby.